back to my computer screen, okay? I am in my back office of the Power Lead system. Okay, remember, if you have not upgraded, your back office will not look like this. It only looks like this once you become a silver member or a gold member. Okay, so your back office will look just like this once you upgrade. Okay, now I am in my back office. Now, one thing I didn't do in this computer was talk about money and the money that you can make within this system. It is powerful. The money is bananas. Okay, so once you start to upgrade and you get access to this back office, as you can see, I'm just going to give you a little tour here. Here is the email text. You can send campaign emails, add campaign emails, view and edit your campaign emails. Okay, this is what you will have access to once you upgrade. You could, like I was trying to explain to you, you can create your own sales funnel, your own pages. Okay, they have all kind of training, hover your mouse over training, and look what comes up. All of this training back here for you to sit back, relax, and learn how to market and get yourself out there, brand yourself. Okay, now let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the sites that I created, some of the sales funnels that I sat back and created for you. Okay, created especially for you. So I'm just going to hover my mouse over websites, and then I'm going to go down to my websites. Okay, and as you can see, these are all of the websites that I have created, and I am going to start with the product in the fitness and health, the health and fitness niche. It is an ebook on building muscles, and we're just going to take a look at the lead capture page, which is right here. Are you struggling to gain muscle? Get your free guide, Muscle Building 101. When they click on get instant access, it's going to prompt them to put in their first name and email address. And then once they click, once they do that and click here, it can take them to a sales page in which I am going to show you. Okay, now if you are looking at this funnel and you want this funnel and get into the fitness and health and fitness niche, let me know. Hey Gwen, I want that funnel. I'm going to get you over the sharing code in which I can get you this funnel. It can be yours. You can make changes. You might not want the background picture that I use. We're going to put the background picture to what you want back there. You know, you might not want these words. We can change all of that. Okay, it is up to you what you want. Okay, now once they fill out the form, it's going to take them to the sales page. Okay, and the sales page looks just like this. Okay, discover 10 muscle building myths that may be stopping you from sculpting your dream body. And there is the ebook right there. And it goes into exactly what you will get in the ebook. Again, this product is free, guys. If you want it, it's yours. You can sell it. You can add it to cart, or this button can be a download button for whoever wanted to download it. Okay, this can be your download page right here. Okay, this is created within the Power Lead system. It can create anything that you want in any niche that you want. Okay, so we're going to go on over, and that is that was the health and fitness niche. This right here, the next one is a ClickBank product. Okay, so you can go over to clickbank.com and set up a free affiliate account, and you can grab this product right here and start building a list within the weight loss niche. Okay, and this is called Fat Burning Kitchen. So we're going to look at the sales page first. Okay, We're going to look at the lead capture page first. And here it is. Okay, we can change the words up here. I didn't do anything to the words. These are just examples. Click on this button right here can take you wherever you want people to go. Okay, it could build your list for you within the weight loss niche. It is up to you. This is a video talking about the fat burning kitchen. Okay, and all of this can be changed to your liking. Again, if you are interested in this funnel, let me know. I'll get you the share code and you can have it, and we can make the changes, whatever changes that you want. Again, this is the fat burning niche. Let's go on over to the sales page. We're going to go on over to the sales page and check it out and see how the sales page looks. And here we go, fat burning kitchen. Are you over the age of 50 struggling to lose weight? And here you go. All this can be changed out to whatever you want. Again, this is the power in the Power Lead system. Okay, again, let me know. You're interested, let me know you want this. Once you upgrade to silver or gold membership, okay? Again, this is the Fat Burning Kitchen. It is a ClickBank product, okay? Now we're going to keep it moving. How about, now most of you are not going to be in this niche, but I'm just showing you examples of what the Power Lead system can do for you. This one is in the real estate niche. Okay, if you're a real estate agent, why not? Here you go. Okay, real estate. All right. Here is something. This can go right on over to your real estate page, which you might have condos and houses that you're trying to sell or rent, whatever the case may be. And the Power Lead system can help you do that. Okay, so it is truly, truly a powerful system. Okay, so the last thing that I want you to show you, again, you can change out the background, you can change the wording, the picture, whatever, all that can be changed. Okay, so let me know exactly what you want to do. Okay, that is my phone. I'll get that a little later on. Okay, now my last one I want to show you is in the fashion niche. To be specific, shoes. If you are a shoe lover, you talk about shoes, you want to start a YouTube channel on shoes, Power Lead system can help you do that, guys. It is crazy, and this is the shoe niche. I love shoes, and after a while, you're going to see a video pop up back here that is going to make it uniquely yours, okay? You can put any video behind anything that you do. There's a video here. She's talking about her shoes, guys. It's powerful. I'm going to click on it just to show you how freaking banana cakes this is. Okay, truly, truly powerful. This is the power in the Power Lead system of what it can do for you. How many of you want this one? This is a powerful I Love Shoes funnel right here. You can take people over to a store that you might be affiliate for and take them over to beautiful shoes that will pay you money every time someone buys shoes from you. Okay, you can get into the shoe niche with no problem at all. Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you the Power Lead system can do anything that you want it to do. All you have to do is take action. All you have to do is click any of these buttons below this video. If you want to start with the free lead system, get your free lead system. If you want to pay $7 one time out of your pocket, pay the $7 and enjoy $6 commissions. You can start there. If you want to go all in and get the silver or the gold membership, you can do that. Silver membership is $29 a month, $15 commissions for you. Okay. If you want to go gold, gold is $20 commissions. And
hello everyone, I'm here with a collective shoe haul from several places, and the first one that I'm going to share.
Okay, if you want to go gold, you can get the $20 commissions, and you will be able to go gold. Okay, and it is $54 and something per month. If you are ready to get in and to make it happen, get in, guys, and make it happen for yourself. Okay, now that is just the beginning of your you can make